Hi, I'm Brian Ebinger with XCEL, and today we're going to show you how to put together a non-lit SEG profile. So before I jump into that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with just the pieces and parts. And as you can see, I have laid out 4 different pieces, one for each side of the SEG frame. As you can tell, this frame is black. Typically they're silver, most traditionally they're silver, but we do have black options as well as colored powder coated options. So this is a simple non-lit SEG frame. We have 4 pieces for the actual frame, and then we've got 8 of these connectors. You'll end up seeing that 4 have nothing on them, and then the other 4 have screws. We're going to go ahead and talk about that a little bit later as we go ahead and we build this frame. So for starters, we're going to pick up the first portion, and you're going to see that there's a little ridge in here. Start by stacking the 2 connectors on each other with the one with screws on top of the flat one. Insert them into the channel and tighten the screw. Insert another set of connectors on the other side of the channel and tighten it into place. Then connect the side frame to the bottom, making sure the corner is well lined up, and tighten the screw firmly into place. Repeat this process on all 4 corners. Now that all 4 are tight, we have our frame built, so we'll go ahead and we're going to add the SEG fabric on this. Before we go ahead and do so, I'm just going to go ahead and note that there is keeder on each side of these fabrics. Okay, you'll end up noting that there's a couple different keeders that are out there. Our frames fit a 3mm by 12mm and a 3mm by 14mm. And as you can see, this one is actually sewn in, where this one actually has an adhesive and is applied to the fabric. So just depending on what type of process you have, either one will go ahead and work. Push the keeder portion of your printed fabric into the channel of the frame. Then repeat the process with the opposite side, giving the fabric tension, and finish it off by repeating the process for both sides. There's our non-lit frame, okay, and this can go ahead and end up being wall mounted onto any wall. So that's the simplicity of a non-lit wall-mounted frame.